Importance of experiments. Importance of activities. Importance of activities. So here, this year, from experiments, academic standard 3, you are getting how many marks? 9 marks. Total number of marks awarded for academic standard 3 is 9 marks. AS1 18 marks, AS2 2 marks, AS3 9 marks, AS4 4 marks, AS5 7 marks, AS6 6 marks, total 40 marks. So AS3 carries 9 marks, more marks. Here, this year 2023, you are getting question paper. What? Part A, Part B, Section 1, Section 2, Section 3 and Part B, Section 4. In Section 1, you are getting one question from AS3. In Section 2, no more question from the AS3. In Section 3, there is long answer question. Section 3, there is long answer question. In that, there is AS3 question. In Section 4 also, Part B also, there is one bit which is asked from AS3. So AS3 questions are asked from Section 1 and Section 3 and Section 4. Total marks, Section 1 2 marks, Section 3 6 marks. 2 plus 6 how many? 8. And Section 4 1 bit, 1 mark. Total 9 marks completed. Okay. So AS3 question is asked in Section 1 2 mark question, Section 3 4 mark question and Section 4 Part B 1 mark question. Total number of marks 9. So here AS3 is important. Experiment activities we are getting what? 3 questions and it is an important that is academic standard, it carries more marks. Now I am telling sample activity. Already we discussed this. Sample activity. And this is their page number 7. Unit 1. Unit 1, page number 1. Page number 7. So here, this is called Hydrilla activity. Hydrilla experiment, lab activity. Lab activity. Lab activities are there in your textbook, page number 7, 37, 7, 37, 37 also there is lab activity. 51, 77, 121, 156 pages. Total 6 lab activities are there in your textbook. 7, 37, 51, 77, 121, 156. So these are the pages. These pages are having what? Lab activities. Once again I am repeating. There are 6 lab activities are there. Many activities are there. But lab activities 6 are there. They are 7, 37, 51, 77, 121, 156 page. You see the pens are what? Lab activity, laboratory activities. So here we are doing this activity in the lab or outside also. So to do any activity we need what? We need to follow some steps. They are any activity if you want to do, if you want to write in your record, you need to follow what? Some steps. Aim, method required, precaution, procedure, observation and inference or result. Once again I am repeating. Aim. What is the aim of this activity? Oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of light. That is your aim. Your aim is you are observing. You need to observe. Oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. That is your aim. That is your aim. And after aim, you need to write what? Method required. So what are the methods required for to do this activity? After I completely explain this activity, I will ask you questions. Be ready. Be ready. Please keep what? Your attention on this topic. Don't think others. So here I am telling aim is over. So what is the aim of the activities?
To observe oxygen.
To study, to observe That is aim is over. Now I am telling laboratory material required. What are the material required to do this activity? So here you see. So this is beaker, glass beaker, and also this is called funnel. This is funnel, and this is test tube, and water. Hydra plant tips. These are called lab activity. Please stand up. Come here. Come here. So these are called lab activities. Lab material. Apparatus required. So what are the apparatus required to do this activity? Gautami, you please say. Funnel. This is funnel. Sorry, funnel. And this is beaker. And test tube. And hydrogen. And water. So these are the materials required to do this activity. So what materials are required to do this activity? So in examination, total activity is not asked. Close the door. Close the door. Total activity is not asked. And ask them to not. Don't keep off. Sana, if you don't ask them to not. Okay, here laboratory materials is over. And now I am telling what? Aim is over. Material required is over. Precautions. What are the precautions we need to do this activity? I will tell you later. And next one? Procedure. Okay. Here, to do this activity, actually, we need two setups. In your Abhyasa Deepika, which is not mentioned. Only in Abhyasa Deepika, they took only one setup. But in textbook, there is information regarding what we need to take two test tubes and two beakers and some hydrogels. You please come, Gautami, and read a textbook. What is the information is there? You please come. Textbook information, page number 7. And Abhyasa Deepika also, you please come. One of you come here. Kalpana, you please ready. Read. So here, Gautami is reading the procedure that is given in the textbook, page number 7. Read.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in figure 5 and make two identical sets.
Yes, make two identical sets. But here, please come. In Abhyasa Deepika, two setups is not given. Please listen, all of you. Read, Gautami, Kalpana. Give that microphone.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. But here, what is that?
Arrange the apparatus as shown in figure and make two identical sets.
And make two identical
sets.
setup. There, what is that?
Arrange the apparatus as shown in figure. Place a plant like
Yes. So here there is no two setup. Only one setup. So in Abhyasa Deepika, what is there? Only one setup. We took only one setup. But here, actually in textbook we need to take what? Two setups, but not one. In Abhyasa Deepika that is not given. Once again read, Kalpana.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Place a plant like hydrilla in glass.
So here in Abhyasa Deepika what is given? Arrange the apparatus, not apparatus. So here we need to take two apparatus. So two glass beakers, two funnels, and two test tubes, and some hydrogels. Like that we need to take, but not one. So here we need to observe. So what is happening in one setup and what is happening in another setup. దీంట్లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది, దాంట్లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది తెలుసుకోవాలి. అది అభ్యాస దీపులో ఇవ్వలేదు, అవునా? Read once again.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Place a plant like hydrilla.
Yes, place a plant like hydrilla
in glass funnel and keep in a beaker containing water.
Yes, keep in a beaker containing water. Next.
Invert a test tube.
Yes, invert a test tube. This is the test tube.
Fill it with water. Over the stem of the
funnel. This is the stem of the funnel. Okay? Okay, you please go and take away the book. No need of that book. So here we need Gautami, you please stand here. So here we need to take what? Two beakers, not one, and two funnels, and two test tubes, and few hydrogels. And this is one setup. Another setup we need to take two setups. And next we are following some procedure. First we need what? A beaker. So how many beakers we take?
Two.
So this is one setup. Another setup we need to take. Two beakers we need to take. And in the two beakers we need to take 3/4 of the water. ఈ దీంట్లో 3/4 వంతు నీళ్ళు తీసుకోవాలి. దాంట్లో 3/4 వాటర్ తీసుకోవాలి. After that you need to take what? A funnel, glass funnel. ఇది funnel, glass funnel అన్నమాట. And it should be inverted in the what? Beaker containing water. And in the this is the inverted funnel. In the inverted funnel we need to take what? Hydrogen tips or Elodier tips. And in abhyasan that is not given. Elodier tips or hydrogen tips. And after taking what? Hydrogen tips in both the setup. And this is the narrow end of the funnel. Boys and girls, listen carefully. This is the narrow end of the funnel. And this narrow end of the funnel should be submerged in the water. నీటిలో మునిగి ఉండాలి. That is precaution. బయట ఉండకూడదు ఇది funnel. Narrow end. ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? లోపల ఉండాలి. After that, you need to take a test tube. రెండు టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ తీసుకోవాలి. దాంట్లో టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ తీసుకొని పెట్టాలి. దీంట్లో టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ తీసుకొని ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి? నారో ఎండ్ మీద పెట్టాలి. So here we need to take two test tubes which is completely filled with water and keep your thumb like that. Invert and place on the narrow end of the funnel what carefully by using what? Thumb. దీని మీద పెట్టాలన్నమాట. నీళ్ళు పోకుండా దీని మీద పెట్టాలి. అక్కడ దాని మీద పెట్టాలి. So after doing this we need to keep one setup in sunlight, one setup in the dark or under a tree or in the shade. ఒకదాన్ని ఏమో సన్లైట్ లో పెట్టాలి, ఇంకో దాంట్లో ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి? నీడలో డార్క్ చెట్టు కింద పెట్టాలి. అది ఇవాళ అభ్యాస దిక్కులో పెట్టిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ we need some time. 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, if you observe the apparatus, a setup which is kept in sunlight, there you see water level decreases and bubbles they form, air bubbles they form. They slowly move upward and push the water downward. But the apparatus which we kept in the shade, there is no formation of bubbles and water level is not decreasing. And here water level is decreasing. After getting sufficient amount of air bubbles in the funnel, this is the what? Other end of the funnel. And carefully what? Lift the test tube from the narrow end of the funnel by you keeping your thumb and allow water flow out. And next you need to what? Close the mouth of the test tube with your thumb. Take matchstick, burning matchstick or incense what stick and keep what? In the test tube. So here when you are keeping here and there you see it burns vigorously, it burns more brightly. అది ఎక్కువ మండుద్ది. కారణం ఏంటి? Why it is burning more? What is the yes, Kalpana told that because of the presence of oxygen. So in the presence of oxygen it is burning more brightly. So here in this activity what we are observed? So the apparatus which we kept in sunlight, which is producing what? These hydrogen are performing photosynthesis. They are releasing what? Oxygen. But there in the other apparatus, there you see they also that is there short and they are not performing photosynthesis. Why? Because there is no light and there is shadow. There is no light. So that is the reason in the absence of sunlight and they are not preparing what food. That is the reason air bubbles are not formed and there is no more what? Presence of what? Gap. So this activity we are doing for what purpose?
Oxygen.
Yes, oxygen is avoided during photosynthesis. That is the aim. And finally, what result we get? Finally, we get what? The apparatus which we kept in sunlight, which is producing what? Oxygen. But the apparatus which we kept in dark, a shade, it is not producing what? Oxygen, because there is no available sunlight. Okay. Gautami, you please briefly explain this activity. Keep that book here.
We need to take two beakers.
Keep it. you say what are the steps we need to follow?
Our aim is to observe oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis
Good.
in the presence of light.
Yes, in our school many students are studying well, and most of your students are what reading very well. And this year you are getting what more marks and more grade, 10 by 10. Okay? Okay, you are reading good. Okay, carry on.
Material required.
First you say steps. What are the steps? Aim.
Aim.
Hmm.
Material required.
Material required.
Precautions.
Precautions.
Procedure.
Procedure.
Result.
Result. That is different. Go there. Sit there. Okay. First you say the aim.
To observe oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis.
Yes. To study oxygen evolved during photosynthesis.
In the presence
To
of
observe.
light.
Yes. To observe what award of oxygen during
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. Okay. That is aim.
Aim.
And next you say material required.
Material required. Take 2 beakers.
2 beakers. You are correct.
Take 2 funnels.
2 funnel. Right.
Take
Right.
2 test tubes.
2 test tube.
Take 2 hydrilla plant.
Take 2 nuts. Some hydrogen tubes.
Some hydrilla plant.
And take water.
Take water.
Yes. So those are called laboratory material. Material required. Material required. Okay. Arun. Next.
And arrange the apparatus as shown in figure.
Now she is telling you what procedure. Yes.
Arrange the apparatus.
Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Already we did it. Okay.
And put your thumb near.
No. Here arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Okay.
And put your thumb below the fun.
Below the test tube.
Test tube.
The test tube is filled with water.
Water.
And keep it on the narrow end of the
Narrow end of the
funnel.
And one.
And here in both the test tube you need to keep. And one say.
In one test tube.
One apparatus we need to keep in
One apparatus we need to keep in sunlight.
sunlight.
And one apparatus we need to keep in dark room.
Yes. Dark room or under a tree. In the shade. So one apparatus we need to keep in the sunlight, one in the shade. Okay.
We observe that
After 2 to 3 hours.
after 2 to 3 hours, we observe that the apparatus kept in sunlight is formed as bubbles like
Bubbles.
this, and the apparatus kept in dark room does not.
Bubbles are not formed.
Bubbles are not formed. And keep the burning candle.
First you need to lift the test tube with the help of thumb and allow the water to flow in the beaker. And later you need to keep what burning
Burning candle.
matchstick, burning that is stick into the test tube.
In the presence of light.
In the presence of oxygen.
In the presence of oxygen, the burning candle glows very brightly.
Very good. Burning can glows vigorously, brightly. That tells that.
That tells that the oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis.
Yes, oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the
In the
presence
presence
of
of light.
sunlight. In the presence of light. So that is the aim. That is the inference. That is the result. So finally we are getting what result? So plants are performing photosynthesis in the presence of light, in the presence of sunlight, and releasing what? Oxygen. That is the aim. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, children.